Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and place a market order in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you're not already. So what you can do is go to eToro.com. If you're on your mobile device, just open up the application and it's going to greet you with a join eToro button. If you do not already have an account, you go ahead and create one. If you have one, just log in using the login button in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to enter in your account. So once you've logged in, this is going to be enabling you to access your profile picture in the upper right corner that you can then click on to open up your menu, portfolio, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to place a market order. Here we have a help article on eToro, the official website, on what is a market order and how you can go and do one. So basically you can follow the steps right here, what is an order and how to go ahead and use orders directly on the eToro market. So basically we are going to be opening up the markets right here in the trading option. You're going to be able to access your trades and then you can go ahead and get started with looking at local trading, trade markets, and so on. By clicking trade markets, it's going to take you to the page from where you can click get started, and with your account you can get started trading, investing in top markets of your choice, finding which ones you want to invest into and click start investing to get started with those stocks, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.